Hi guys, and you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I shared with you how to develop a constructive research question based on review of literatures. So in this video, I want to guide you through the practical steps you need to take to be able to do this. So join me as we embark on this journey. This is the practical steps on how to develop an effective research question. And it's important that you start off by introducing your subjects, what you're talking about, what your review will be doing, and that is what is captured in this very first sentence. I said the chapter provides a systematic review. Systematic in the sense that I approached everything scientifically and it is explainable. And I next went to the components of the review, and I talked about the very first section of the review and what you find in there, like the objective of the articles, the method used, the relevant findings. The next section as well can be introduced in the second section is this honest, blah, blah, blah. But then most importantly, which is the focus of this particular video, is to guide you on how to develop a research question. So take for instance, in this paragraph, I've said that in another research, let's say, we can say, if you're starting off, this is in between paragraph, you can say, in a research by author A, author B, the researchers study of blah, blah, blah to identify dash, 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 and then the author advocate for this, and in their study of so database, if they have studied database, or in their review of literature, or in their analysis of primary data, the research results then follows, and saying that it was systematically sampled, blah, 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 and then you know that blah, blah, blah. I don't mean to say blah, blah, blah. So in other words, you're meant to explain what exactly this means in your last paragraph. So this takes you to the next sentence, next paragraph of not really a paragraph, it could be a paragraph together. I mean, this entire thing could be one paragraph. I've broken it down because of the explanation for the purpose of this video particularly. So now, the author made a case for dash. You state the case that the authors, the researchers were trying to make. And the next thing you want to do is explain the complexities of the research, the intricacies, the special features of the research, and the problem that was discussed, main arguments in the research too. So you recognize the strengths, the weaknesses of that research, and you can as well criticize the research on this ground. So upon this criticism, you then tell us the reason why the research is limited in some ways that you have determined that it is limited. So how do you intend to improve on the limitation of this research? That leads you to what I earlier mentioned in my last video as a gap. If you have not seen the video, click on the link below to see that video. Now, this gap then now defines or drives your purpose, and that is what leads to the purpose statement. And you say, hence, the purpose of this study is this, this, and that. That is what you're filling into this gap. And this research will be guided by the following objective. You particularly state your objective using numbering, or you can state it in paragraph. And then your objective, like I've mentioned in that previous video, it's the objective that drive the research question. Meaning, from your objective, you get your research questions, and it is that simple. So you can just state it as, therefore this study advancing findings. It says findings from author A, B, and C provide answers to the following research question, and that makes it just a very easy flow from body of literature to the gap in knowledge to the purpose to the objective, and then that gives you a reputable, making sense research question. Yes, it is as simple as it seems, but practically it may not be as easy as I have discussed it, because you have to do a sincere review and in-depth analysis and criticism of what has been done in the field. So guys, that is all about that in this video about research question. If you have any further question, please do well to ask in the comment below. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Cheers.